In this tutorial, we will be scraping this web table right here, switching tabs, and inserting the data that we had just scraped into this practice form right here. So it's going to look something like this. So you see there was a delay, so that's why we wanted to use implicitly wait 3 over here. So let me explain how I got to this code. So we called Chrome WebDriver, and then we open up our first tab, this web table page right here. And then we use driver.switch to new window to get this new window right here. And we want to get this website form right here. So driver.windowHandles is what we use to switch between tabs. The tabs will have these hash, which isn't really important, but you can see that the length of Windows handles is 2, meaning we have 2 tabs. Driver Windows handles 0 will be our first tab. Second tab will be driver.window handles square bracket 1. Now, we want to make sure that we are on the first tab, so if driver current window handle is not the first tab, then we will switch to the first tab. Then we will want to find our table. The way I did that was I just clicked this, make sure you have selector sub over here, and then I tried to find the table. It was kind of difficult. Oh, there it is. We will find the element by class name, rt-t body. Next thing I did was I printed the table text and see what I was working with. You can see all the text we want is right here. We have Sierra Vega and her email address. So if you run table.text, you will see this instead. Initially, I wanted to call this, and then I saw it was C. So I'm guessing it's a text string. Yep, it is a text string. So I looked up on Stack Overflow how to separate the text string, and I got this line of code right here. Okay, so this error is because I had closed this window. So to fix that, you would run this again. Make sure this is still open, and then you should be able to run this line of code. So we were able to split Sierra and her email address over here. Also, you also have to be on the correct tab. So this split has to be up on this line of code. Next, we go over here, and then we want to find out where our elements are, the form elements. And that is relatively easy. So all you do is you click this, make sure you have selector sub. Actually, you don't even need it. You click on it, and you can see the ID is first name. The ID of last name is right there. And the ID of this email is user email. So we just find element by ID using first name, last name, user email, and then we select the element, and then we just send keys the text that we had just split 0, 1, and 3, because number 2 is actually her age. So there you go, how to scrape text from one table and put it into another form.